What if your security could see itself the way an attacker does? Not as you assume it is, not as your reports describe it, but as it truly exists, exposed, tested, and ready to be exploited. Because vulnerabilities don't wait for audits, attackers don't follow schedules, and static penetration tests can't keep up with an attack surface that changes every day. Ampcus Cyber brings that reflection to life with Mirror, a next-generation penetration testing platform built for continuous, real-world validation of your security posture. Mirror delivers AI-powered testing that mirrors how attackers think and identifies exploitable vulnerabilities across applications, infrastructure, and evolving environments. It goes beyond reports, showing what can be breached, how it can be exploited, and what needs to be fixed first, so you can move beyond periodic assessments, eliminate blind spots faster, and respond to real risk with precision. Mirror integrates seamlessly into your workflows, delivering continuous insights and prioritized actions without disruption, empowering security leaders with a clear, unified view of exploitability, exposure, and remediation readiness. No simulations, no assumptions, only real attack validation. See what attackers see with Mirror, powered by Ampcus Cyber.